we are bringing something that a CEO or a COO is able to ask for new functionalities. So not only is looking at the system and requesting a new integration or a new dashboard, is able also to, I want to cross-check this data with this data every day, and please provide me this as a new report. So this is the kind of things that you will be able to create. And this opens a different world of making software, because we have a saying in Portugal, it's not that good if you're having dinner, it's not polite to eat directly from the place where the food is. You cannot see it from the pan. But in this case, the CEO or the COO will eat directly by the pan because he's able to ask. There is no one else there that will need to require to create that functionality. We are able to come from the data to the feature just by him requesting what he needs or what he requires.